Today I will show you how to make a page for the Alphabet Quiet Book with a cute koala. It has a bead inside that moves, a head attached with velcro, embroidered eyes and a smile, and a soft leather nose pleasant to touch. The koala also has a movable bow on its head. With the ready-to-use pattern, this project is super easy to make. So let's get started. We will need stiff felt, scissors, vanishing markers, clips, hole punch, synthetic leather, velcro tape, buttons, tulle, cute bead and mulin. Take patterns titled Koala Page Part 1, 2 and 3 and create felt elements based on them. White element place on the base page 3 cm from the bottom edge and sew it on. In this pattern, cut out the inner shape. Place it on body elements so that they overlap. Trace the inner shape with vanishing marker, then cut it out. This pattern place on tulle and cut out its shape with a margin of about 2 cm. It doesn't have to be very precise. Ready element place under the hole, fasten it with clips. Then sew both elements along the edge of the hole with gray thread. In the next step, turn it over and cut off excess tulle along the seam line. Place body on the base page to cover white element. We will start sewing from here. Stop in this place. Insert small bead of button and continue sewing to the place where we started. In the next step, take head element and this pattern, place it on top so that their upper edges overlap, and draw the shape of eyes with vanishing marker. I will embroider it with black mulin. If you prefer, you can also use fabric marker. These three patterns place on the left side of the red and black synthetic leather, outline shapes and cut them out. Place nose and cheeks on head and sew each one along the edge. Now I will draw a smile, then embroider it with black mulin in the same way as before. Take ears elements, place white on top and sew it along the edge. The bottom thread is grey. Place ears under the head and fasten them with clips. Next pattern, place on Velcro tape. We will need one pair of Velcro with a loop and hoop side. In the center of this element, place Velcro with a loop side and sew it along the edge. Turn this element over, then place head on top and sew along the edge. The upper and lower threads are grey. In the next step, cut off excess felt along the edge. Turn this element over, then draw 6 dots on both sides and make holes with a hole punch. Ready element place on white felt and sew along the edge. The bottom thread is white. Now please cut off excess felt along the edge. Ready element placed on head, then pink button with a diameter of 50 mm on top and sew it by hand with grey double thread. Place head here, then draw the place where Velcro touches the base page. Place Velcro with a hoop side here and sew it on. Next 2 elements place on the sides and sew each one from here to this place and from here to this place. At the beginning and end of sewing, sew forward and back and repeat 3 times. The last element place on the left and sew it on. Koala page is ready. To make next page from the Alphabet Quiet Book collection, click on this image. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please leave your opinion in the comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye!